It's raining. We're back at the Alton Terrace Resort. We're going to be starting today off down at the smaller 25-minute wait time. I don't know how though, because Wickerman's got a 50-minute wait time. This year, Dad's Games Panic Reload is going to be located in the hospitality suite. Oh, QR code, let's scan it. The QR code did just take you to the Alton Towers website, Scarefest page. Yeah. There is a big river running down Alton Towers now. So, let's go for a paddle. We've made it. It's like a massive tsunami has came over the Spiders queue line. It is honestly soaking wet. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'll just put up text if you can't hear me and of what I'm saying. So yeah. So I've just gotten off a second Vol ride on the Smiler. The operations there were really good. As soon as people got off the train, there was already people coming in. Yeah, great operations on the Smiler, and yeah, great ride on it. First time I've ever seen that. There's a gun going off, empty boat which is broke down, it stopped. Yeah, I think it's broke. We're heading down now to the Castle Alton Manor and Forbidden Valley, because Nemesis Reborn's got a 10-minute wait time and the curse should be walk on. Yeah, I think the rain's putting everyone off today. Orchid Hollow. So I went on a little bit of a hitchhike, and why? Queue line in the back. Where's the camera at? It's almost in there.
Delivering strength in form.
We've made it. Forbidden Valley. Nemesis did originally open in 1994 as just Nemesis, and it was it's manufactured by B&M and designed by John Waldley. This positions you with your feet dangling from underneath the track, and it flips you upside down a total of 4 times. This then sparked the idea of getting another Nemesis down at Thorpe Park. This Nemesis though is the better Nemesis. Nemesis Inferno was the one at Thorpe Park, designed by John Woolsey, and then in 2022 it should, for a retrack, to turn it into what it is now, Nemesis Reborn. It opened again March the 16th, 2024 this year, and now it is one of the best rides in the UK. Is very unique how this one actually sends you into a corkscrew instead of a vertical loop like all the other B&M birds do. Just gotten off Nemesis Reborn. That was really fast going down the helix. Yeah, really fast. We're going to be heading down now to the one-way mine train. I'm just a bit upset that it is not a sausage roll ride no more, you know. RIP the sausage roll ride. I think they're getting ready for Scarefest. I can't see. Woohoo! Sit back, hold on tight and enjoy the ride. Shoot, shoot. Where am I even going on this ride though? The mist all the way from the curse is actually on the one-way mine train, and I don't think there is actually a queue. Choo choo! Oh yeah! So I've just gotten off a really rough ride on the one-way mine train. That ride was rough, yeah, right, just shuffling And it's like Planet Coaster, how the transitions are just like, all sort of, you bang like that, bang, you know what I mean? Like the flying fish on that one segment, all the way down the ride. I was like bouncing up and down, like jumping up and down in muddy puddles. But yeah, I think we're heading down to the Wicker Man now, 25-minute wait time. It's really quiet there. I think the weather has put people off. But yeah, see you over there. So we've made it down now to the Wicker Man, and as you can tell by, where is it? Big Bob just there. 25 minutes it says on the board. We'll soon see. Let's enter the queue line for the Wicker Man. Let's keep the flames. So the Wicker Man did replace the flume, which was sponsored by Imperial Leather. And fun fact, the flat turnaround section on here on the ride was actually where the station for the flume was. And then by the Congo River Rapids, you can still see parts of the flumes. This ride is the first ever roller coaster to fuse wood and fire together. It did take that name too seriously though, because it did set on fire about last month now. Yeah, and ever since it closed, it's like there was all scaffolding going up. It has actually got a slight retrack where that happened as well. Yeah, this is definitely the second best ride here in the park, behind Nemesis Reborn, because Nemesis Reborn is the best Nemesis. Just gone off pretty sure it was a 6th roll ride on the Wicker Man, heading down to the Smiley now for the second time. It is a 25-minute wait time if I remember correctly. Yeah, see you down in the next sector. So I've just gotten off a back row ride on the Smiley, which is really rough on the back row, but Oblivion has just opened. It's got reopening now, so hopefully around a 10-ish minutes queue. So yeah, see you off the road. Just gotten off a ride on Oblivion. I'm going to be heading down now to Oblivion. Reach around 15 minutes for both. I think 13's went up to 20 minutes now, but yeah, it is just dead to be honest. No queues today. Let's go. Single rider queue. Is this new fences? Because it looks definitely it is actually walk on, get in. So I've just joined the queue for Vita after having 2 rides on 13 queued for the first one since it was walk on, and then you single rider for the other. I got to roll 2 on single rider. We had 10-minute wait time for Vita. It looks walk on to be fair, so I'll see you off the ride for Vita, Queen of Speed. I think I've just got a rare experience on Vita. I didn't get the go. What happened there? I was just talking to hold on tight, secure, all loose. Don't tell us when it was going to launch. What? Heading down now to the Wicker Man for the second time. 25 minutes still. So hopefully it is almost walk on. Because last time it was 25 minutes. You guessed it, it was walk on. It has grown. Yeah, workers are on the bike run. There was just at least. Are they getting evac? I don't know if they're getting evac or not. Yeah, we'll soon find out. Some progress. Train started to move. It's open. Get in. Just got like a front row ride on the Wicker Man. It's actually fairly fast for the front row. Yeah, going to be heading down to the Castle and Manor and Nemesis Reborn for the last rides of the day. Yeah, see you down there. Woohoo! Finally get on it. Just gone off a ride on the Castle Manor. The tunnel's broke again, and like the newest effect on there is broke as well. Yeah, just joined the queue now for Nemesis of Terror. It's a 5-minute wait time. The first time I've seen that on a 5-minute wait time. I think it's walk on. You have to walk on all day, to be fair. I'm going to be heading down to Nemesis after this for the last ride of the day and leaving at Galactica Gate. If you don't want to queue for the monorail, always end your day off down at Nemesis Reborn or Galactica or the Blade or whatever it is, and then you could leave out Galactica Gate, so you'll see a purple tent, just go down there. You can't enter through there, it's only for hotel guests, but yeah. I'm sorry for yapping to the camera, but yeah. Oh my god, I ran through this queue like the speed walk. See you off the road. There was still no actors in Nemesis Inferno. Nemesis Silterra. Still, it's been about 3 months, and all in that, it's been about 5 months. Still no actors. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for Nemesis Reborn. Yeah, this will be the last ride of the day. To be fair though, I think the weather today has put people off mostly. It's like the second day of Oktoberfest as well. Mental. I hate walking up them in Nemesis Reborn. But yeah, to stop me from yapping, I am going to end this segment here. Just gotten off Nemesis, but I'm going to be heading down to Galactica. 5-minute wait time. I haven't done this ride in ages, it seems. Come on. Oh yes, this is the first time I've ever been on this, and they've actually shut that off. Okay, I'll be on it quicker then. See you off the ride. 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 Just got off Galactica, 6th row, so basically back row. Yeah, you did get pulled down that airtime hill. So just walking back to the car now after a quiet day at Thorpe Park Resort, and the music. Thorpe Park Resort, did I say Alton Resort? The music just died again. Why did you say Thorpe Park? Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.
For now though, we must say good night.